Where I see you?
The middle of Karnataka. No?
To start with, we actually received a message saying they wanted to introduce you, to the media. So, how do you feel about actually working with such a director and being introduced by such a star?
It's a great honor, actually. It's a huge honor to work with Arjun, Abhay, and Manoj sir, Om sir. And I feel awesome, like on seventh sky.
And how was this entire journey of working these people and in such a subject?
The entire journey, it was amazing because Prakash sir, it was one of the best experience I had. And considering my educational background, so I always said that all my educational experience of 7, 8 years is on one hand, and these 57 days of shooting are there on the other hand. So it was a very enriching, nurturing experience.
Actually, talking the movie like everyone took episode the movie. Talking about shooting, what was the first day shooting and how much you nervous about that?
First day of shooting, my goodness, it was I guess it was one of the bad day of Prakash sir. He was screaming, shouting because his trademark is authenticity and detailing. So obviously he was shouting on something, and I came out of my vanity, and there were like 600, 700 people of the production, adding to that 200, 300 crew, so not the crew, the junior artist. And then he was shouting, and I was like, oh my goodness, now I'm into check review. Now I'm the Abhimanyu. And then he shouted, oh, Miss NST, come here. I'm like, yes, sir. Okay, stand here. Yes, sir. And I just forgot my lines. And I was like, no, I cannot forget my lines. I have to be, focused. Just forget everything. Forget Prakash sir is screaming or whatever. And yes, I did the scene, which was, then I saw him. He was in the corner and he was like smiling.
What was the scene? Can you tell me exactly?
It was the very first scene when I see Abhay and ask him that, I know that you're the intruder. SP Adil Khan का आदमी है. So that was the first scene.
ओके तो लाइक लोगों की बात की तो लोगों ने काफ़ी ताली बजाई बहुत सारी क्रिटिक्स ने लाइक रेटिंग दे तो क्रिटिक हाउ मच इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू स्टार में कितना बिलीव करते नहीं
स्टार्स मतलब जो स्टार्स दिए हैं,
Yeah, exactly.
ऑफ कोर्स स्टार्स में बिलीव तो करती हूँ क्योंकि क्रिटिक जो है वो शायद उनके मतलब राजा के शब्द की तरह होते हैं और सब प्रजा फिर फॉलो करती है राजा को. तो जितने अच्छे स्टार्स मिलते हैं उतनी अच्छी ऑडियंस हमें मिलेगी. और जिस तरह से सराहा है क्रिटिक्स ने, मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ उनकी, और चाहूँगी कि ऑडियंस को भी अच्छी लगे.
बट ऑडियंस ऑलरेडी लाइक कर चुका है तो अब तक सबसे बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या मिला आपको लोगों को
बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट कई सारे मिले अभी तक. एक तो मैंने सुना कि किसी ऑडिटोरियम में औरतें चिल्ला रही थी ज़ोर ज़ोर से जब मैं मारती हूँ चेतन जी को, तो औरतें और ज़ोर ज़ोर से चिल्ला रही थी कि और मार साले को, और मार साले को. लाइक ओके गुड. और बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे पहचाना नहीं. मेरी पहली जो फिल्म थी दिल्ली ने डे, और ये बहुत सारे लोगों ने फ़ोन करके पूछा कि आप ही हो चक्रव्यूह में. तो आई गेस दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द ह्यूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
ओके लास्टली लाइक जिस तरह की दूसरी मूवी लाइक यूज डी टाकू अभी तक पहले दिन में दूसरे दिन में लोग पसंद करते तो व्हाट नेक्स्ट एंड किस तरह के रोल पसंद करना चाहिए इन फ्यूचर.
अब मैं फ्यूचर में of course I would like to do all sorts of role, variety of roles, and now I have done something very violent or with guns and all. Now I want to do something with the roses. So let's do some songs, some romance.
थैंक यू सो मच गुड लक.
Thank you.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank